Hello again, Murphy All-Stars. Greg Reese here with the estate planning team and Reef Point. We're looking forward to join you again for our fourth year at the annual Murphy Conference in Clearwater. Who could resist rubbing elbows with the best in the business? Certainly not us. So we will be there looking forward to it. No, seriously, we're looking forward to continuing the conversation, celebrating the successes of some of the cases we may have worked on together, also sharing stories about some of your peers, how they've used some of the tools and concepts that we have been discussing to salvage collapsing deals, to put you in a position to get more high dollar, high quality listings, and to effectively take some of the problems or challenges off the table that impact virtually every selling situation that you have. We invite you to visit our table in the sponsors lair, as well as attend our workshop that we'll be holding on Wednesday at 3:15. That one's going to be entitled The Secret to Closing More Deals, Eliminate Your Clients' Capital Gains Tax Worries. So everybody be safe traveling there, and we'll look forward to seeing you then. Take care.